First time in Japan? Let me show you the ultimate visual guide. Tokyo is where tradition meets innovation. Dive into the energy of Shibuya, the world's busiest pedestrian crossing. Neon lights, a sea of people, and that electric city buzz. At night, Tokyo Tower glows above it all, like a beacon in this endless cityscape. But step into Asakusa, and you'll feel the calm of centuries past. Sensoji Temple stands as Tokyo's oldest, its lanterns flickering with history and hope. Kyoto? It's a dream. Walk beneath thousands of red torii gates at Fushimi Inari Shrine. Every step feels like a wish. The bamboo groves of Arashiyama are pure tranquility, sunlight dancing through emerald green. In Gion district, watch geisha glide past wooden tea houses. It's timeless beauty. Now, Osaka. This city never sleeps. Dotonbori's neon signs light up the river, and the street food scene will blow your mind. Osaka Castle rises above lush gardens, a symbol of strength and resilience. Hungry? Try takoyaki, crispy octopus balls, and okonomiyaki, the ultimate savory pancake. Japan's kitchen is always open. Craving a slower pace? Nara's sacred deer are waiting. Here you can stroll through tranquil parks, bow to a deer and watch them bow back. Temples and cherry trees blanket the landscape. Mount Fuji calls. Catch your breath at Lake Kawaguchi, watching the mountain's perfect reflection. In Hakone, soak in soothing hot springs with steam rising all around. It's pure relaxation beneath Japan's iconic peak. And oh, the food. Sushi, hand-shaped by masters. Ramen, steaming and rich. Tempura, golden and light. And for dessert, matcha parfaits and mochi, sweet and soft. Every meal's a memory. Ready for some travel tips? Grab a JR pass before you land to zip around the country. Hop on trains with a Suica or Pasmo card, just tap and go. And try a few Japanese phrases. Arigato means thank you, and eki wa doko is where's the station? But the real secret, every moment here becomes a memory. Photos under cherry blossoms, smiles at sunset, laughter in the city. So, are you ready for your Japan journey? Like and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Adventures waiting.